In this video, I will show you how to delete Pinterest account permanently. So let's get started. First, open Pinterest app on your mobile. Now tap your profile icon located at the bottom right side. Tap three dots located at the top right side. From here, tap Settings. Now tap Privacy and Data. Scroll down and tap Delete your data and account. Tap Continue. Now select the option for Leaving Pinterest. You can choose any of the option and then tap on Send Email. A email will be sent to the email address that is set into your Pinterest account. Now open your inbox associated with Pinterest. Now open the email from Pinterest account. Here you will find an option Yes, Delete Account. Tap on it and your Pinterest account will be deleted. So that is how you can delete Pinterest account permanently. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.